based on the time gained or lost by the clock. The same concept I have explained earlier. Suppose the actual time is 7 but in the clock it is shown as 6:45. So we can say that the clock is running slower by 15 minutes. Suppose the actual time is 6 but the clock shows 6:15. So we can say that the clock is running 15 minutes faster. For the same thing, there is an example which will clear the concept very easily. The question is, a watch gains 5 minutes in 1 hour. That is, in 1 hour it is gaining 5 minutes and was set right at 7 a.m. So in the morning 7, the clock was set right. What time will it show at 7 p.m. on the same day? See, it is mentioned that in every hour, in every 1 hour, the clock is gaining, the watch is gaining 5 minutes. At 7 a.m. the clock was set right. Now what will be the time in the faster clock when actually it was 7 p.m.? For solving these type of questions, it is simple. Just write the data which is mentioned in the question. Let's see when the clock is correct, when it isn't gaining any time or it isn't losing or gaining any time. So correct clock covers 12 hours by 7 p.m. right? When it is set 7 a.m. on the 7 p.m. the correct clock will cover 12 hours. But in the faster clock it is already mentioned that 5 minutes extra per hour. So 5 minutes extra in 1 hour. So for 12 hours, so 12 into 5, it is equals to 60 minutes. There is 60 minutes extra. So 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. That means 1 hour is extra. For 1 hour, it is 5 minutes. So it is 60 minutes extra. That is 1 hour extra while completing the circle. That is from 7 a.m. till 7 p.m. It shows actually 1 hour extra. So 1 hour extra means instead of 7 p.m. it will show 8 p.m. Where? In the faster clock. That is in the wrong clock, which is actually 5 minutes faster. For 1 hour it will show 8 p.m. instead of 7 p.m. Let's take another example. A watch or a clock loses 5 minutes. So it is now losing. Earlier it was gaining. Here it is losing. 5 minutes every hour. And it was set right at 9 a.m. It was set right at 9 a.m. on Tuesday. So on Tuesday at 9 a.m. it was set right. Now the question is, when it will show the correct time again. This is our question. I hope you guys understood the question very well. It is losing 5 minutes per hour. So for the correct time, for showing the correct time again, it should lose 12 hours, right? For showing the correct time again, correct time again, it should lose 12 hours, right? As discussed in our previous example, this is similar to our previous example, but instead of gain it is loss, right? So therefore it loses 5. No, it is mentioned that it loses 5 minutes in 1 hour. So therefore it loses 1 minute every 12 minutes. In every 12 minutes it is losing 1 minute. In 5 minutes it is losing 1 hour. So therefore we can say that in every 12 minutes it is losing 1 minute. So therefore it also loses, we can say that it also loses 12 hours or 12 hours For writing the 12 hours, we can also write that 12 hours or 60 minutes. 60 minutes, that is into 12 is equals to 720 minutes. So therefore, in 720 minutes, it loses 12 hours or 60 minutes into 12 is equals to 720 minutes. Then 720 minutes into 12, this equals to 8640 minutes. This 8640 minutes is equals to 144 hours. For converting this 144 hours into days, we'll simply divide by this 144 hours into 24 hours, because in one day there are 24 hours. So answer will be 6 days. So we can say that if we add 6 days on this from this Tuesday, because on Tuesday the correct time was set. From Tuesday, if we add 6 more days, then the correct time will be shown again. This is our question. If we add 6 more days in Tuesday, then the correct time will be shown on, I am writing here. So the correct time will be shown on next Monday. On next Monday, the correct time will be shown.